7th Standard Geography, first lesson. Topic is Exploring Continent, North America and South America. In the previous two parts, we have seen about the North America. This is third part. We are going to see about South America. Viewers, subscribe my channel, press bell button. If you like this video, give likes, share it and give comments. So, in the worldwide, South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. That's what I said, worldwide. First goes to Asia, then Africa, third largest country is North America. So, totally, South America ranks fourth place. That is fourth largest country in the world. Most of the South American continent lies within the southern hemisphere, so it is called as southern continent. The Isthmus of Panama in the northwest connects South America with North America. What is isthmus? It means a narrow piece of land connecting larger area. So, Isthmus of Panama connects North America with South America. South America is inverted triangular shaped landmass. The area of the continent occupies 12% of the world's land area. Total over the world. So 12% land area is covered by the South America. Physiography of South America. The continent may be divided into physiographic divisions like the Andes Mountains, the river basin or central plains, the eastern highlands. Now we'll see about Andes Mountains. The Andes or fold mountains like the Himalayas. This is longest mountain range in the world. The highest peak in the Andes is Mount Aconcagua. 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 The Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak in the Andes mountain. It is located in Argentina border, which reaches an elevation of 6,961 meter. The Andes, being a part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, these places are subject to great volcanic eruptions and earthquake activities. The Andes are rich in minerals like copper, tin, precious gems, including emeralds. So, we can get in the Andes mountain like minerals, copper, tin, precious gems, including emeralds. We can get it in the Andes mountains. The physiographic division of South America is the river basin or central plains. Now we'll see about it. Half of the continent is covered by the plains. Three great rivers drain into the Atlantic Ocean. The biggest of them is the Amazon. So Amazon, everyone heard about it. So this Amazon plains is located in the South America. The Amazon basin consisting mainly of the alluvial deposit. So in the Amazon plains, mostly covered by the alluvial soil. The Parana and Paraguay plain is an ancient rocky surface covered with the alluvial soil or the alluvial deposit. And in the central plains, most petroleum deposits or you can find out in the alluvial plains or the central plains or the river basins of the South America. Eastern Highlands. Third physiographic division of South America is the Eastern Highlands. It is older than the Andes Mountains and are mainly plateau which is cut by many rivers. Plateaus it means like flat land is cut by the many rivers. They lie to the north and south of the Amazon River. The Guinea Highland is located in the northern part of the South America, which has number of waterfalls including Angel Falls. So in the Guinea Highland, it is located in the northern part of the South America. In the Guinea Highland, there are more waterfalls are located. Particularly Angel Falls is famous in the Guinea Highland. Climates in South America. It is hot in the Amazon basin. It has a pleasant climate throughout the year because of its high altitude at 9,350 feet above the sea level. Most of South America regions have its summer from November to January. The Amazon basin gets rainfalls every day because of its equatorial location. The regions around the equator get what is called 4 o'clock rains, which are known as convectional rains. Drainage of South America. From the Andes, all the great rivers of the continent drain into the Atlantic. Amazon is the longest river of South America and is the largest river system in the world. These rivers have over a thousands of tributaries, that is more branches. Thousands of tributaries, it means thousands of branches for the Amazon river. The main tributaries which together form are known as the Platte river system. Platte river system, it means like plate river system. So Amazon river has the more tributaries. This tributaries is also known as the Platte river system. Natural vegetation of South America or forest in the South America. There are the four main natural vegetation of South America, that is Amazon basin. It is called as selvas, the eastern highlands, the Grand Chaco, and fourth one is slopes of the Andes. The selvas of the equatorial regions are called as lungs of the world, that is Amazon basin or selvas, which is called as the lungs of the world. The Amazon rainforest are the largest of their kind in the world. There are more hardwood trees in the Amazon forest. These hardwood trees are very valuable. The other common species are like rosewood, cinchona, and a variety of palm trees. The Amazon rainforests are gradually getting depleted. Various development activities such as why it is depleted because of the various development activities like transportation lines, human settlements, and agriculture. Due to this, the Amazon forest is getting depleted. Then environmentalists fear that this might lead to the serious ecological disturbance in future. Wildlife of South America. South America is blessed with a variety of wildlife. The dense forests, swamps, and rivers of Amazon basin are particularly rich in different species of animals, birds, and reptiles. More than 1,500 types of birds are found in the South America. Hummingbirds, flamingos, and different types of parrots also can seen in the South America. The forest is home to a variety of monkeys. The anaconda, which is one of the largest snake, also you can find in the South America. The rivers of South America have a variety of fishes.